Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be stuffing my sinking funds. But before I do my sinking funds, I'm going to go ahead and count the money for you guys. So it's 100, 200, 300, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 310. So you have $310. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So for my personal savings, I'm going to be putting $300 in there. Woo! And now we have a total of 100, 200, 300. That's 400, 410, 420, 440, 460, 465, 470, 471. So we have $471 in our personal savings. And so this is my personal savings, but also known as my emergency fund. So I actually bought something from Etsy from Amanda's Budgets, and I'm going to be going ahead and marking off what I already have. If you would like to go and get one of these yourself, you can actually get one in the link in the description. And I think it was like only $1.50. So you guys, go ahead and get you one of these, and you can keep track of your low income emergency challenge. That way, you will have $1,000 in your emergency fund and you won't regret it. So we are going to be stuffing not my debt collections yet, but we're going to do my car care. That gets $5. And that brings it up to a total of $20. For my birthday fund, I'm going to put $1 in there. And now I have $2. For Christmas, I'm going to put $1 in there as well. For wedding, I'm putting For wedding, I'm putting $1 in there. And for future home, I am also putting $1 in there. And for Mint Mobile, I am also putting $1 in here. Alright guys, so that basically wraps up my sinking funds. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. I enjoyed hanging out with you, and I will see you guys in my next video. And I want you guys to comment down below what you think his name should be. And I'm going to basically write down all the names that everybody says and do a little poll on my community tab, and we can do a vote on what we can name him, because we actually don't have a name for him yet. Alright guys, I will see you all in the next video, and I'll be doing my saving challenges. And I also had 2 people donate to me, and I'll be adding $13 in here. So thank you guys so much for donating. You really don't have to donate, but if you really like my stuff and you want to support me and my channel, you can totally donate to the 2 things linked in my description down below. You can buy me a coffee, or you can do Cash App. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.